In this very quick video guide, I want to show you this website called I Love PDF. I think this is a really cool and easy to use and useful website. So let me go all the way back here into the Google search. So just type here I Love PDF and you will find the first results. Then you can go directly on what you need to do specifically, or you can just click on the first result. This is going to be the home page. Now you can see that this is a website entirely dedicated to PDFs. So you can do a lot of operations here. You will find a lot of tools and functions and features concerning PDFs. For example, you can convert files into PDFs like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and also images like JPEG, and also web pages like HTML pages, and so on. So it has a lot of features, and more features are going to be added later on. Now you can use this for free in a limited manner, or you can also create an account and check the pricing and everything else. But this time I'm just going to show you the free feature. So I'm just going to convert a Word file into a PDF, which is one of the, I think, easiest thing to do. But I think it's pretty easy for everything else. So I'm gonna show you this one here, and you can see it opens up this page when it's asking me to either drag and drop a file inside right here in this area, or you can select it directly from the Windows browser. Now another thing you can do is you can directly upload files from Google Drive or from Dropbox. So right now I'm just gonna do a couple of things. So first thing, I'm gonna click and drag and drop this file from my desktop into the web page. And there you go, it's generating already the PDF. So now I just need to convert the PDF, but I can also do a batch of operations. So if I want to create more PDFs, I can go here and say add more file, and again I can upload it from my computer, from Google Drive or Dropbox. So in my case I'm gonna go in my computer, and there you go, I have another document here. So they are two. I can also change and order differently the files, and when I'm ready I will just hit on convert to PDF. Now when I hit this, it's gonna start the conversion, and then I will show you what you will find usually in the download folder. There you go. So you will find a compressed archive. So you need to extract everything that's inside here. You can do that I use 7-zip, so I will extract that using that, but you can also check other unzip software. And once you do that, you will find your two PDFs. So it created a PDF for each word that I have fed into the drag and drop space. Now I also can merge these two different PDFs together. So in this case, I will go here, drag and drop the PDFs and merge them together into a single file. And also I have other features here, but probably we're gonna check that in other guides concerning I Love PDF. So please, if you like the video, please support us so that we can make more videos. So subscribe to the channel, or if you want to support us a little bit more, you can join, and you can write your comments, and also if you want questions, ask for assistance, and also you can type suggestions for other users. So this will be all for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.